Okay, what is up guys? Welcome back to another online money hooks video. In this video, we're gonna be talking about how you guys can get started with an online business for less than $100 step by step using the right way and the right strategies. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe to get more content on how to make money online and how to grow your online business in 2020. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can get started to make money online with less than $100 investment. Now this is a really cool method that requires your time, effort and patience. So just a little motivation, I want to show you guys what I was able to make in a day just using these strategies. So I was able to make almost $260 in less than a week just upon me starting doing this program and this step-by-step process to make money that I'm about to show you guys. And there's a lot of people that are doing this. Another guy is Jono here that is doing the same method. So what method am I talking about here? So this is what we're going to cover. We're going to cover the tools that you need to run this business, how you can start even if you're a complete beginner and you've never made a single dollar online, some additional resources that you can use to fast track your progress, and you don't even really need a website. All you need is $100 to spend on this business blueprint that I'm about to show you. Now if you guys go ahead and implement this step-by-step procedure and stay consistent with whatever I'm going to teach you in this video, I can guarantee you're going to be making money in the next few weeks to few months from now, and you could be making anywhere between $1,000 to $10,000 a month using this procedure, depending on how much effort you're putting and how much you are willing to sweat to make that income online. So the method that I'm going to be talking about here is a method called launch checking. Now with launch checking, what happens is you go to a website called muncheye.com. So you can search for Muncheye. Opened up the wrong site. So you can search for muncheye.com. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be promoting products such as softwares and courses that are about to launch and are not yet on the market. Now we're going to be affiliates for these products. So you can come over to muncheye.com and you get over here, and these are the many platforms that you can use. You can use JVZoo, you can use WarriorPlus, or you can use ClickBank to be an affiliate for this product. So depending on where the product is going to launch, I would require you guys to do this first step, which is go to warriorplus.com, which is warriorplus.com. As you can see, this is warriorplus.com. Once you get over to warriorplus.com, you want to sign up for an account. So you want to come over here, sign up for a free account. It's free to open. Another account that I want you to open, you guys, is JVZoo. So you go to jvzoo.com, and this works worldwide. So you come over to jvzoo.com and also open a free account over here. So how do we do this step by step? Well, the first step is to come over to muncheye.com and pick a product. So let's say this is one of the products that I'm about to start promoting myself, that I'll be taking a part in, and you want to come over here and click the very product. So we're going to promote recurring profit machine. So as you can see, this product brings you to this page. So once you're over here, you want to click on the JV page. So this product is going to pay 50%, and the front end price is $27. Now don't get confused with this 50% and the $27. There are some upsells, so you can go over to the JV page and you can request for an affiliate link. So what you want to do is find where it says affiliate link, which can be this right here. So you want to come over to and click this green button. It's going to take you to one of these sites depending on where it's launching, either WarriorPlus or JVZoo. So this one is surprising, took us to JVZoo. So as you can see, the commission range with this product is anywhere from $8 to $485 if you just drive traffic to to this. Now I'm gonna cover traffic as well as some strategies and some tactics to help you make that money. So once you come over here, you want to request approval of this. As you can see, I've already requested approval for this product. So this product is going to be launching tomorrow on the 12th, 8 a.m. US time. So once you have this and once it's approved, the next thing that you want to do is you want to do a review video. Now before doing a review video, you want to get some bonuses. So the kicker to this, the secret is you want to have some bonuses. You want to build up some bonuses. So as you can see, this is a bonus page right here for this product. So this guy is promoting the very product that I'm talking about here, which is Recurring Profit Machine. So this guy is John Armstrong and he does launch jacking. So he's made this page. This is why he's delivering some bonuses. So for people to buy through you, they will need a reason to buy through you, and that is through bonuses. So you will need some really cool, amazing bonuses to accompany the product that you are promoting for you to get those amazing sales and make anywhere between $100 to $400 with this product. So I'm going to show you how you can get this landing page builder. Now this landing page builder is called Commission Gorilla. So there will be a link in the description of this video. This product normally costs $99, but you can get it for 50% if you use the link that is in the description of this video, which means you'll be getting it for $50. So out of $100, you've only spent now $50 and we're not even yet done. And this is the major landing page builder and bonus builder that you need, because they give you some really cool bonuses that you can use in promoting your products as well. So once you have this set up, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go to YouTube. You want to start a YouTube channel completely for launch jacking, and you want to make review videos like this. So as you can see, he's also done a review video on his YouTube channel, and when people watch this YouTube channel and they click the link, so as you can see, when we get over here, people watch his YouTube review, and once they watch the review, they click this link and they come over to this page. Once they're over this page, they read through, and if they are happy with what they see, they go ahead and click this link, and it's going to take them to a page where they can purchase this very product, and this guy ends up getting a commission. Now this is the exact blueprint that you're going to follow. So you want to make a review video talking about this product once you've been approved as an affiliate. And what you want to do is, before that, you want to have access to the members area. The members area is key so that you can show people exactly what is happening. So as you can see, he's offered you a JV document. A JV document gives you a free access to the members area of this product. So this is launching new soon. It's going to be launching tomorrow, and everybody that's jumped on is going to be making a lot of money. So as you can see, they are giving away also some bonuses. As you can see, $1,200, $500, $200, $100, $50, depending on how many sales you bring in as a bonus. So it's a really cool, amazing way to start making money for less than $100 in 2020. Now if you don't know where to get those bonuses, you can search for PLR for sale. So you can search some PLRs that are for sale, so you can buy qualityplr.com. So this site, you can come over here and you can buy some really cool PLRs depending on what niche you're in. So if you're in the make money online niche, you can buy PLR, and these are basically products, as you can see, that help you sell these affiliate offers. So what bonuses are basically just something that will help the people that buy your product to be successful with it. So as you can see, this guy's put together some bonuses. Let's just go through them. And so he's put together a bonus tutorial, better access to 7-minute system, first 12 hours only. So you get access to his mega bundle, if you buy this in the first 12 hours, there's a bonus tutorial on how to use this same software, and there's a hack of over 2,500 email swipes to use for the current. So he gives you also some email swipes that you can use for recurring commission, recurring profit machine. So it's basically there, the bonuses are there to accompany you to sell this product and to make it easier for the buyer to use. So that's what you want to do. So once you get Commission Gorilla, inside Commission Gorilla you'll be able to create really cool, amazing pages. So I'm gonna in fact add on a template, a bonus template that is looking exactly like this, such you can just go ahead and edit things like this and edit this section. It's pretty easy to use and set up. So I'll leave a link in the description of this video to where you can get a template of this after you purchase this Commission Gorilla using the link that is in the description of this video, and you can make money with this method. So this is just a short tutorial that I thought I would show you guys today, and I'll see you in the next video guys, where I'll dive more deep into launch checking and showing you exactly step by step how to set up the landing pages and the bonus pages and getting successful with affiliate marketing and launch checking. So thanks very much guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.